We're about to give these sneakers away to one of you guys. But before we do that, let me give you a detailed review on these sneakers. What's up YouTube, Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Before we give these bad boys away, let me give you a quick review on these sneakers. So now let's look in closer to these sneakers and see what's special about them. The upper of these sneakers consists of 4 materials. First up, you have the nubuck, where you can see on the swoosh, on the lace holders, and on the toe guard. The laces is your typical Air Jordan 1 flat laces. Now the second material on the upper are the tumbled leather, where you can see on the toe, on the lateral and the medial side. Now the third material that they use on these sneakers are the leather on the heel, the red leather on the heel and on the ankle collar. The third material on the upper are this nylon tongue. Now the other details on these sneakers are this number 23 in black over the red lace loop. Then we have the Jumpman logo on the tongue in white. Now we have the Air Jordan Wings logo on the heel stitched in red. The sock liner is actually in black, while the insole is also in black with the red Jumpman logo. Now the midsole is your typical Air Jordan 1 midsole. This time it's in white, while the outsole is in red. Now what's special about these sneakers? Actually, the colorway of these sneakers is really nice. It gives you a Chicago or OG vibe on these sneakers, and I like the combination of materials they use on the upper. These are definitely one of the most sought after Air Jordan 1 lows that was released recently. Of course, apart from the Travis Scott lows. This year is the year of the Air Jordan 1 lows. They have released so many colorways. And recently, I think they have released the shattered backboard colorway and the court purple colorway. So yeah, definitely this year they've released so many. I can't even keep up with it. What I like about the Air Jordan 1 lows is that they use different materials on different colorways. Yes, it's the same silhouette, just a different colorway, but the thing is they also use different materials on each colorway. I'm not really sure if there's any 2 colorways that has exactly the same materials that was used. So if ever there's please let me know. Hit up the comment section down below. So guys, are you excited to have these? If you haven't watched our 250,000 mystery sneaker unboxing, you still have a chance to get this pair. Check it out. Follow the mechanics because the cutoff for this one is at 5 p.m. of October 6. We will be announcing the winner of these sneakers together with the Ultra Boost 19s and the Lifestyles and Sneakers t-shirt later tonight at 10 p.m. during our Sunday live stream. So guys, make sure you're there because you never know, you might be the next owner of these bad boys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media accounts. We have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have Twitter, we have Snapchat, and we have TikTok. Until next time.